on Hack the Box. Let's try this one. Start off with rust scan as usual, right? Man, it seems to be, they seem to be starting up a lot lately, and they're not, like, usually whenever they start up, they're up, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if they're pulling some moves out of Try Hack Me's thing where it comes up and it's not actually up for another 17 minutes, but 22 and 80 so far. Want to check that out. Also check out that port 80 like real quick. Alright, hello mate, we're building a new face mash. Is there anything that we can do with that information? No. Okay, it doesn't have a title. It's powered by PHP, so that means we know it's PHP, right? It's a CentOS, okay. Alright, so we know it's PHP, so let's go ahead and do a Fearox Buster on this guy then. We'll do attack X PHP. See if there's anything else in there PHP wise. 10, 10, 10, 146. Wow, it's a lot of stuff. Okay. Figure out what the little thing is to tell it to not look at stuff. It's like filter status, attack C. See if we get anything in here. And let's kind of start working out from here, I guess. Got backup, CGI bin. Let's go ahead and run Nikto since we have CGI bin on there just to make sure that we don't miss anything at all. And we also have backup right here. Something about NetSpark or what? These kind of type headers not set. Oh, okay. We got lib.php, nothing in there. Lib.php though. We got backup.tar. Let's go ahead and bring that to myself. What I've been doing at work lately is I've been making this is totally off topic, but we also have an upload.php too, and uploads. All right, cool. But I've been making a what is it? A Python script to be able to automatically load the routers and the scripts. Really, you know, like whatever I want to do with it. So it'll automatically put the different information in there. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and copy over to see if we can get an easy win here. So go ahead and sublime that shell.php. Yeah, I've been doing a Python script so that it will automatically do stuff in the router or the switch or whatever, but using GNS3 with it. And then on Monday or Tuesday actually, I'm gonna get a switch set up, and so it like SSH is into it, puts a whole bunch of stuff into it, and so I pretty much want to automate it. So if we were to go on an op that's like, hey, we need to leave like right now because you know Guatemala has attacked, so we need a network up. I want to just be able to run that Python script and hey, we got ourselves a network. You know what I'm saying? Like we're done. So then we can do stuff super quickly. Let me see here. So we got networked right, shell.php. Okay, let's go ahead and create that like right there. Invalid image file. Okay, let's go ahead and try just yeah, something like that. Let's see if that works. Okay, valid image file. We'll keep messing with that. We'll keep messing with that. But as of right now, let's go ahead and look at that jar file. Right, we got that backup.tar. Let's go on tar tech. Is that right? Is that what it is? should be it's untar, right? XVF. There we go. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. XVZ. I thought it was XVF. Probably also XVZ. Okay, so this is giving us the might be able to find. So let's look for JPG, PNG, GIF, and JPEG. Okay, that's a valid array, like right there. Okay, and then it's going into temp name, uploader name. So it looks like it's also replacing the name, doesn't it? Okay, so it looks like it's doing a couple different things here. But I feel like we can actually just maybe array valid equals false for each valid. Okay, so what I'm thinking, we may just be able to just do a little oh man, God bless me. I actually really didn't even need that because if we would just kept messing with this guy, we would have been just fine. Let's go ahead and do ourselves a little GIF 89A like that, right? Goes like that. I think that's it. Do I not need? I think it's like that. Okay, let's go ahead and try to upload this guy now. Invalid image file. Huh. Okay. Really thought it would have actually taken that. Huh. I wonder if we need something like that. Okay, so that one worked. Now we have the uploads page, right? Is that okay? Yep. The problem is now that it has now changed the file name. Now hasn't it? So that's going to be a little bit annoying. If we go to photos.php, whoopsie daisy. So we had that in there also, right? That was one of the things that we had. Let's have our thing over here. Here we got photos, then lib. Okay. Okay, so we do have photo. Okay, cool. So we actually can see that. Okay. And we get a callback. So open the image, new tab, we get callback. Yes, you can do both. So there we go. Based on the upload script, it's the IP address of uploader. Was it? Because it looked like it just changed it to a random name. What's up, Snow CS? How you doing? Let's go ahead and scripts full shell. That was not going to work right there. We got to do that again. No, I'm not. Next question. Usually just don't ask people that also. Okay. We are using CentOS, so that's probably why that one didn't work. Probably BitSH probably would have worked. I should have noticed as soon as we did it. And but equals X term. I always spell that wrong. There we go. Let's make sure we can't do a sudo tech L. Okay, so we are Apache. Let's go in cat, which is not the best user to be. Like Ghoulie. Actually, we're getting a lot further than what I usually do with Apache, so that's nice. See if there's anything there. Nope, nothing in there for Ghoulie. Okay. Let's go with CD to backup. Okay, that's the backup.tar. CD to home. CD into Ghoulie. See if we can do anything in here. We can't. We do have a cron tab.ghoulie. Let's go and cat that. So we do have this guy like right here, but we can only read it for the check attack.php. If it's going somewhere, okay, require var to lib.php path uploads logs path check attack php. This is log path was temp attack log. No hub. What is no hub? Where are you sitting at? You're in user bin. User bin is in there. No output? Okay, cool. I have a question. Has someone done the virtual hacking? I have. I've not done OSCP, but Virtual Hacking Labs has taught me more than anything else has. It should not cost $360 though. That seems very, very. I've done the beginner, advanced, and advanced plus on Pro Labs, on Virtual Hacking Labs. So I did them all. Yeah, it should only be, so it's $233. So it should be like 250 or something like that, I think. Yeah, I did the beginner, the advanced plus, and also the Pro Lab one. Liked them all. Oh no, it's 30 days for OCP Labs, 360 per month. Okay. I want to know if VHL is worth it. I thought it was. I thought this VHL, the PDF, I still haven't really even read it. This one like right here is the advanced lab. I didn't do the all access. I got the beginner advanced lab, and then I did the pro lab after that. So pro lab's actually only $129 for 1 month. This one was actually pretty rough. This one was actually pretty hard. People said this was good OSCP prep, but the pro labs kind of just came out. For a month pass, this one's $100 for VHL beginner advanced lab. I thought that it was freaking awesome. I learned more with their boxes and their community than I have anywhere else. And it wasn't even for the PDF. It was just their boxes and just like they just having to find different things. There wasn't really anything in there that was like, something that was like that would never work or that's dumb, stuff like that. That never really happened. So, I had a lot of fun with it. I really did. Okay, let's go ahead and let's throw. I'm thinking in here. Just go into path, right? Yeah, I definitely recommend it. 100% recommend it. Hey, thanks a lot for follow Snow CS. Actually on my YouTube, I actually have a video on it where I go into more depth on it and actually like click around inside of it, stuff like that when I actually had it. Because we have that, I believe we could just go into uploads and we can. Where's it at? So we got var video HTML uploads, right? And right here we're doing a path, right? I'm thinking that we can actually get a callback with this. So maybe if we go ahead and we can just do bin bash, huh? I believe it will just have to be like a text file. Or, you know what we're gonna have to do? We can't make a file. It's just gonna remove it. So we need to do something like, we need to make it run a new command. So we would have to do something like a, I got an idea. We'd have to do something like this. We'd have to name the file literally that. Now, wouldn't we? That's what we have to do, like right there. No, I want to make that file. Should be able to do something like that. Okay, hopefully, maybe there's netcat on here. Let's try it. Okay, there is. Okay, cool. So we should be able to touch. What do you mean? We should be able to put that into there. Why is it being a poo-poo butt? Why are you being a poo-poo butt? I wonder if I can't. Okay, there we go. If I can try to do slash bin bash. All right, now when this goes into, when it goes into this path, right, it should technically run this command. It should just run it when it comes in here. Oh, stack LA. There's our file. Nothing's in it. That's okay. We just want to run this command. Don't know if it needs to be executable or not. I guess if in a minute or so it doesn't work, then we'll make it executable. I'll make sure it's still in there. Can I run that thing? I forgot what it was. No, I can't run it. Okay, I'll see if I can run this check attack. Oh, we did get a callback. Then we lost it. Why? We got a callback. Connected. Then immediately died. Why is that? What has happened? Start change mode. You can always say -X, you know what I'm saying? Uh, It's happening every 3 minutes. It's kind of a dick move, isn't it? That's just me just waiting longer. Means pretty much if you mess it up, you're just kind of screwed, huh? You just have to wait again. I mean, not really screwed, but you just have to wait longer. We could probably also do... we're not going to be able to do that dev TCP in there, are we? Well, we do know netcat does exist. Yeah, not going to be able to do anything with that. Gotta kind of just wait it out. My music just went away. Last time my music went away, I missed it. Last time it like froze. Okay, so we're getting a connection that's immediately dropping. Why? Why is it doing that? That's strange. Huh. Why would you connect and then immediately drop? Pissing me off. Quick. Okay. We shouldn't just be able to put a PHP file in there because it's not going to do anything. Right? We're in. You know why? Maybe? We know 1, 2, 3, 4 works, right? Let's try something like that. Alright. So that command like right there should get callback to us, right? Yep, so that does work. We immediately drop though. Why? That one also immediately drops. What in the hell? Do I have to get out of this bash like that? Now if I do it, is it going to stay up? No. You guys ever seen that before? What is going on here? Why isn't it staying connected? Add dash to the end? And that cat doesn't like that. And now it's fucking acting damn like a damn asshole now. I wonder why it's doing that. Because that's staying. Maybe it's not. Is it the box itself? Did the box mess up somewhere? Okay, there we go. There's that. Try running a loop. Okay. Then I know I had two of those open, but okay. Okay. Immediately closes out. Okay, let's try to do it on like 9999 or something like that. It's already used. Where? Where is that in use? Oh, right here. That's why. There we go. I was about to say, like, wait a minute. What do you mean it's in use? Goddamn burp suite. Immediately closes out. Ah, man. Okay. Pretty sure we got it. Well, we definitely have it calling back to us, but why? No, this is automatically closing out. Keep connection open. Attack K. Yeah. Okay, not that. Okay. Huh. Obviously something else going on here that we can't. And there's probably another way to be able to get to root, you know. But do we want to take another route to root? Probably another way. Let's try. We'll do it again. Touch, right? And then we'll do our little. We're gonna touch. Something like this, right? And we'll do NC. We'll do the whole thing again. Something like that, maybe. And maybe that might work. We'll give that a quick try. The problem is we can't give it a quick try because it's going to. I probably should not have done 1, 2, 3, 4, huh? We should definitely put this in a different file. Can we remove these guys actually? I feel like remove this one. We can, okay. Just in case if it doesn't connect to this guy, in case it doesn't like it, then we'll try this one like right here. And we'll just kind of wait and see what happens with that, I guess. It'd be very, very exciting. Very, very exciting stuff here. We also go if it's executable or not. We also know that, so we don't need to mess with that at all. So 9 out of 9 definitely came back to us. 1, 2, 3, 4 did not. Let's go ahead and change mode. Let's go ahead and make it executable. I'll see what the hell it's going to do for us, but okay. So that also did not work for us yet. We don't quite know, but what else do we got? What other ideas do we have to get this netcat to actually talk back to us? Because we know that's going to run path, right? God damn it. Okay, let's go ahead and cat. I want to cat this one more time. What did? Connected right there. Okay. So it's doing the path and then the value, right? So it's going that path that's running a value, which that's what we're giving it is a value right here. So we're giving it a value, right? So that should work like right there because we're giving it that value. So technically, now I'm wondering if maybe we need to, let's go and try something like this. I'm going to grab this again. Damn it, I need to touch that. And then we want maybe to run something like that. So we'll do this one on port, I don't know, 443. Tacky bash. And we'll try to listen on port 443 now. Okay. It's finding bash because if we do this by itself, we get a callback. So it's definitely finding it because if we run just this by itself, like right here, we get, okay, it closed right out. Didn't happen the first time we did it though, did it? I remember staying open the first time we did it. It's closing out of SH also, so bin bash is there. So it's definitely sitting there. Oh, God. What if we run something like this? If we run this like right here. That still does not keep it open. Execute. No such file directory. exec. This is... But that's... What the fuck? That's dumb. We can't pass full path. You can't do that with touch. Ready? At least you shouldn't be able to. We tried this the first time. It didn't allow us to. Because you can't pass full path like that. But if we do ls-la, then bash, there it sits. So this is a lot of fun. Can't do it like that. You can't do that with touch. This should 100% work right here. Like so much so I'm about to look at a damn walkthrough and see how other people did it, because that should 100% work. And what I'm thinking is that it done did. Wait a minute. I had no idea. Try like that with a taxi. Okay, we know none of these. We know that these guys are not going to work, right? So let's go ahead and remove these guys. Taxi. Let's freaking go. There we go. Shouldn't have done that, but whatever. Okay. We know that Python down here, right? Let's go. That's what I'd see. Okay. Okay. So check out now. Do we have a password? Okay, we don't need a password. Change me not sh. Cat. Let's go ahead and just go to nano. I'm pretty sure we could just use our local sbin. Change me not sh. Okay. Vim. What we got here? Let me just get rid of that. So let's just go ahead and just make a bash reverse shell at the very beginning of it then. That's all we're going to do. We're just going to, that's nice. We're just going to throw a bash reverse shell at the very beginning and call it a day. Or we can do my favorite and just turn, what's it called? Yeah, taxi. Yep. Or we can just do it my favorite way and do a quick, we do a couple things. Change mode, U plus S. Before everyone freaks out like they did yesterday, once we turn the box off, this will go back to normal. We'll do that. Okay, since root's running it. And then we'll do a... Because everyone started freaking out yesterday. Like, it's going to change it for somebody else. Yeah, so many people on a box that was, 7 years old. We may actually not want to do 999. Let's do 1111. Just in case if that one thing still has 9999 on it. Okay. That should be good, right? Otherwise, hit Control X. Read only, really. Did I not save it? I did not. I didn't even save it. I'm a dumbass. I'm a stupid poo-poo head. Whoops. Why is it writing it? Okay, that's good. Is it really just read only? I figured it would just be something like, we could just do that. I don't like that. Okay, so we actually have to look at what the hell this thing's doing. Echo interface. Wrong input, try again. Interface. Echo variable. Great. Okay. Well, we know it. Okay. So now we gotta figure out what is this thing actually doing, like right here. Can I do that? Probably not, huh? I don't see why I would be able to. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay. Think so? Try it, but yeah, I think so. All right. We haven't checked out all the stack yet. We have to run with sudo. And we don't have sudo change mode, so that's not going to work either. Okay. So, okay. All right. There we go. X. This. This, like right here, this variable, since it's not in quotes, right? we can call to it and tell it to run a command. That's what's happening. So we're able to call to that, tell it to run a command, which then allows us to be able to just, the first command that we type in is bullshit. The second one should be bash. Because we have our variable here, right? So if we look at this guy, we have a variable and then it equals something else. So if we say bash equals bash or bullshit equals bash, we'll finally exit out of that thing and it'll run bash and we'll become root because we're running it with sudo. All right, cool. There we go. Took me a second to find that guy. That was hopefully it was a medium. All right, another one down. Another one bites the dust. Cool.